Alright, hopefully the microphone on the phone picks up this high frequency noise, but so I went and bought a really high-end monster acoustic cable, thinking maybe that would help with this grounding issue, but you can probably hear it's still there. If I touch the back of the guitar where the quarter-inch jack goes into the input, it goes away. That's with me holding kind of back where the input is on the plastic battery area. Let go, touching it again. Seems to be related or changes more with the treble adjustment. So that's at mid, that's treble all the way up on the guitar, and treble all the way down, then it seems to go away. Obviously if I turn the volume way up, it makes a difference too. That's volume all the way up on the guitar, treble all the way up, treble mid, volume all the way up, treble all the way down, volume at mid. Bass doesn't seem to have any effect. So wondering if I got maybe a grounding issue. Hopefully any of you can help me out, or Taylor. But it's frustrating trying to play. There's with me touching it again. Can you imagine just hearing that as you're kind of cuts right through the sound, so it's not a very pleasant